Hello! So I'm back today with another Attipoli Onam recipe, Inji curry. I'm using two medium-sized ginger pieces. I peeled them, I cleaned them and I shredded them. You can cut it into very tiny pieces and use it too. Then heat a pan. I'm using this earthen pot. It makes a big difference in taste, so I recommend you use that. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add the shredded ginger and I'm going to fry it till it reaches a dark brown color. It should not get burnt or black, so keep an eye on it. On medium flame, this should take you like 10 minutes. Okay, once in a while, keep mixing it, and when it reaches this color, dark brown color, remove it, keep it in a plate. And in the same pot, in the same oil, I'm going to add a little bit of mustard seeds, 3-4 red chilies, a little bit of curry leaves, and then I'll add some masalas like half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon sambar powder, and I'm going to cook these masalas for like 3-4 minutes till that raw smell goes away. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of tamarind water or tamarind pulp, whatever you call it, 1 cup, and I'm going to cook this for another 5 minutes. Once this boils and cooks, I'm going to add half cup of jaggery powder. Please use jaggery powder and not the gur powder. There's a big taste difference. So use half cup jaggery powder. Cook it for another 5 more minutes. Then add the amount of salt you need, like according to your taste, and add the fried ginger pieces back into this. Keep it on medium flame and cook it for another 7-8 minutes till it all comes together thick. The oil should all come out on top and it should be really thick. And there you have it, Inji curry, one of my favorite Onam Sadhya items. So if you've never tried this, you have to try this. The spiciness and the sweetness and the bitterness, it has all flavors combined in one item, and it's really, really yummy. And I had lady's finger poriyal and rasam and white rice for lunch today. So see you tomorrow with another Attipoli recipe. Have a lovely day.